Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make lemon herb chicken spaghetti. This is such an easy meal to put together. It can be served hot or cold, so depending on the weather or your mood, it will fit all of your needs, and it is so tasty to boot. Start by cooking 1 pound of spaghetti according to the package directions. Now, while the pasta is cooking, we can get some of our other ingredients going, starting with our tomatoes. This is the kind of pasta that's best with like a flavorful tomato. So we're gonna cut up this beef steak. You just want to dice them into little pieces because the tomatoes are going to be dispersed throughout the pasta. Then we need to chop up 1/2 cup of fresh basil leaves, and I always do it the fancy way, where you stack up the leaves, roll them, and then slice them into ribbons. This is called a chiffonade. And you can see when I add them in the bowl with the tomatoes, it is really pretty. Then we're gonna add 2 or 3 teaspoons of freshly minced garlic to that. We're gonna let that marinate in 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil and then season it with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Give it a little stir so that everything can sit and stew and marinate. I like to do this first because it helps build flavor. And next, we're gonna season and cook our chicken. I've got 2 pounds of chicken tenders, and I'm gonna season them with 1 teaspoon each of black pepper, garlic powder, dried basil, and dried oregano, and then 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You wanna just give those a little toss to coat. Now, tenders often have this little tendon right here, and I do like to take some kitchen scissors and snip that off. Now, I love using chicken tenders because they cook up so fast. So you'll want to heat a skillet over medium-high heat, and we're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and then we will add in our chicken, and they really only take 2 to 3 minutes per side to cook through. And while it's cooking, you want to squeeze over 1/4 cup of lemon juice and give them a flip so they get evenly browned. And I move them around in case there's any hot spots in the pan so I get that even cook on them. Of course, the cooking time is always dependent on the size and thickness of your chicken tenders, so keep a close eye on them and use a meat thermometer or cut one open to make sure it's cooked all the way through. Our pasta is ready, so go ahead and drain that and add it directly to the bowl with the tomatoes. Then we'll give this a toss so that the pasta can be coated in that garlic, tomato, basil infused olive oil. Then grab your chicken and you can serve it on the side or on top. And check this out. Your pasta is ready to go, and oh my gosh, it smells so good in here. We can't wait to dive in. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to like and subscribe and check out the rest of our videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.